How to add Polygon Matic to MetaMask. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add Polygon Matic to MetaMask, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your MetaMask wallet, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in into the wallet, the next step is to move to the top left corner where you can see the network drop down menu, and then you click on it. After clicking on it, in the box displayed, scroll down and check out the networks that you've added if it's there, and if it's not, move to the lower part of the screen and then click on Add Wallet. Then after adding wallet, you'll be brought to the wallets page where you would see popular networks. If you cannot find Polygon Matic there, the next thing is to click on Add a network manually. Then you can see the necessary details that you need to get for you to be able to add Polygon Matic. And then since that's the case, the next step would be to go to your Chrome browser, click on the plus icon to create a new tab, and then in the search box type out the RPC URL of Polygon Matic, and then click on search, and then you can see the RPC URL as well as the chain ID and the currency symbol. So what do you do next? Just go ahead and copy this. Just copy it, then go back to your MetaMask and then paste the URL. Then first of all, enter in the name of the network, which is Polygon Matic, or just Polygon. Let's just type Polygon. Alright, and then next will be to enter in the chain ID. In this case is 13. So after entering in the chain number and the currency number, click on save, and just like that you can see the network added successfully. So the Polygon Matic network will be added successfully to your account. Then you can decide to switch to it if you want, or you can just maintain the network that you're on currently. So this is how you can add Polygon Matic to your MetaMask account. Thanks for watching and have a good day.